Dear gentle cat lovers, let's find out the adventure of Coffee the cat, a curious little feline with a big heart and even bigger dreams. Here's a short introduction. In the quiet little town of Evergreen Hills, nestled between rolling meadows and whispering woods, lives an extraordinary cat named Coffee. With fur as smooth as velvet and eyes that glimmer like amber in the sunlight, Coffee isn't just your average feline. He's clever, curious, and full of heart. But what truly makes him special is the family he belongs to, the Crawfords. Book 1 begins the tale of how Coffee came into their lives, and how, from that moment on, nothing was ever quite the same. Like, follow, and subscribe if you enjoyed this. More videos coming soon.